Hey there, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. You guys always come through with the fire comments and likes, and I'm so excited for today's video. We're diving deep into the top 5 grooming mistakes people make. Like, honestly, we've all been there, right? Listen, grooming isn't just about looking like a snack, it's about feeling confident, put together, and ready to conquer the world. We're gonna spill the tea on these common slip-ups, and of course, I'm gonna give you all the tips and tricks to fix them. So buckle up, babes, because we're about to get our glow on. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the top 5 grooming mistakes you might be making without even realizing it. Grooming isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and put together. Stick around because we'll not only point out these common mistakes but also show you how to fix them. Let's jump right in. Okay, so first up we're talking skincare, which is like the foundation of any good grooming routine. Seriously, your skin deserves all the love. And you know I'm obsessed with a good glow-up. One major mistake I see people making is not giving their skin the attention it needs. We're talking about using the wrong products, or even worse, no products at all. Honey, that's a recipe for disaster. You're gonna end up with breakouts, dullness, and let's not even talk about premature aging. Nobody wants that. So, what do we do instead? Listen up. We're gonna start with the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, protect. It's like the holy trinity of skincare. You need to be cleansing your face twice a day, every single day, with a gentle cleanser. And don't even think about using that harsh soap bar on your precious face. We need something that's gonna remove dirt and oil without stripping away your skin's natural moisture barrier. Next up, moisturizer. This is non-negotiable, people. Find a moisturizer that's specifically formulated for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, combination, or somewhere in between. Moisturizer is gonna keep your skin hydrated, plump, and youthful looking, and trust me, your future self will thank you. And finally, the most important step of all, sunscreen. Yes, you heard me right. Sunscreen is your BFF, even on cloudy days. UV rays are no joke, and they can cause all sorts of damage, from wrinkles to hyperpigmentation. So, make sure you're slathering on that SPF 30 or higher every single day, rain or shine. Now I know what you're thinking. James, this all sounds great, but where do I even start? Don't worry, boo, I got you. There are so many amazing skincare brands out there, but for my beginners, I always recommend checking out CeraVe or Neutrogena. They both have super affordable starter kits that include everything you need to get your skincare routine on point. And here's a pro tip for you. Download the Trove Skin app. It's like having a personal skincare guru in your pocket. You can use it to analyze your skin, track your progress, and get personalized product recommendations. It's a game changer. Alright, moving on to hair, because let's be real, it's the crown you never take off. Your hair is one of the first things people notice about you, so it's important to keep it looking its best. And trust me, I know a thing or two about hair. One mistake I see people making is neglecting their hair. They either skip haircuts or use the wrong products, and it shows. First things first, let's talk about haircuts. I know it can be tempting to stretch out those salon appointments, but trust me, regular trims are key to maintaining healthy, vibrant hair. Aim for a haircut every 4 to 6 weeks to get rid of split ends and keep your style looking fresh. Now let's talk about products. Using the right hair products is just as important as using the right skincare products. You wouldn't use a heavy cream on oily skin, would you? The same goes for your hair. If you have fine hair, avoid using heavy products that will weigh it down. Instead, opt for lightweight formulas like matty clays or texturizing sprays. If you have thick hair, you can get away with using heavier products like pomades or creams. And don't forget about the details. Keeping your neckline clean between haircuts makes a huge difference. Invest in a good trimmer and clean up those stray hairs every couple of weeks. It's a small detail that can make a big impact. For my indecisive kings and queens out there, I highly recommend checking out the Style My Hair app. It's like a virtual hair salon where you can try on different hairstyles and colors before committing to a change. It's so much fun to play around with. And here's a pro tip for you. Invest in a good quality comb and avoid overwashing your hair. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week and use a gentle shampoo and conditioner. Chapter 3. Nail Files, Not Fails, Mastering Nail Care. Alright, let's talk about nails because they can make or break your entire look. Honestly, nothing is less cute than overgrown or dirty nails. It's like the easiest way to kill a whole vibe. Keeping your nails in check is a sign of good hygiene and attention to detail. Plus, when your nails look good, you feel good, am I right? So what's the biggest mistake people make? Neglect, honey. People forget about their nails until they're a hot mess, and then it's a whole ordeal to fix them. Listen, taking care of your nails doesn't have to be a chore. It's all about consistency and having the right tools. First things first, make it a habit to trim your nails every week. You don't have to go full-on manicure every time, but a little trim goes a long way. And please, for the love of all that is good and holy, use a nail file. Filing your nails will smooth out any rough edges and prevent those pesky snags. And don't forget about your toenails. They need love too. Keep them trimmed and clean, especially during sandal season. A little foot cream never hurts either. Now, I know some of you are thinking, James, I'm not trying to become a nail technician, I get it. But trust me, you don't need a whole arsenal of tools to keep your nails looking fly. A basic grooming kit is all you need. I personally love the ones from Tweezerman or Revlon. They're super affordable and have everything you need to get the job done. And here's a pro tip for you. Apply hand cream regularly. Not only will it keep your hands feeling soft and supple, but it will also help to keep your nails hydrated and strong. Chapter 4. Body hair, don't let it run wild. Okay, so we've talked about skin, hair, and nails, but we can't forget about body hair. This is a topic that can be a little, shall we say, to navigate. Everyone has their own preferences when it comes to body hair, and that's totally fine. There's no right or wrong answer here, but one thing's for sure. Unmanaged body hair can be a major grooming mistake. Now, I'm not saying you need to be completely hairless. Embrace your natural beauty. But keeping things tidy shows that you care about your appearance. Plus, it just feels good to be groomed, right? It's all about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. So let's talk tools. For chest, back, and underarm hair, I recommend investing in a good quality electric trimmer. It will give you a nice, even trim without the hassle of shaving. Plus, it's much gentler on your skin, which is always a plus. For those pesky nose and ear hairs, you're gonna need a specialized tool. Don't even think about using scissors. Trust me, you don't want to go there. There are tons of great trimmers on the market specifically designed for nose and ear hair. They're small, precise, and get the job done quickly and easily. And for all my bearded brothers out there, keeping that beard or stubble looking its best is key. Regular trims are a must, and don't be afraid to use a beard oil or balm to keep those whiskers soft and conditioned. One of my favorite tools for all-over grooming is the Philips Norelco Multi-Groom Series. It's a total game changer. It comes with a bunch of different attachments for all your grooming needs. It's like having a whole grooming kit in one device. And here's a pro tip for you. Exfoliate before shaving. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and lift hairs, which can help to prevent ingrown hairs and irritation. Chapter 5. Fragrance. Less is more, honey. Last but not least, let's talk about fragrance. Because let's be real, smelling good is a major key to feeling confident and attractive. But there's a fine line between smelling amazing and smelling like you bathed in a bottle of cologne. Overdoing the fragrance is a common grooming mistake that can be a major turnoff. Remember, fragrance is meant to be enjoyed subtly, not to announce your arrival from a mile away. The goal is to create a pleasant scent that lingers around you, not to suffocate everyone in your vicinity. Think of it like this. Your fragrance should complement your overall look, not overpower it. So how do you avoid this mistake? First things first, apply fragrance to your pulse points. These are areas where your blood vessels are closest to the surface of your skin, which helps to diffuse the scent more effectively. Think wrists, neck, and behind the ears. Second, stick to 2 to 3 sprays max. I know it's tempting to go overboard, especially when you're wearing a fragrance you love. But trust me, less is more. You want people to lean in and say, wow, you smell amazing, not recoil in horror. When it comes to choosing a fragrance, opt for scents that suit your personality and aren't too overpowering. If you're not sure where to start, I recommend trying light, fresh fragrances like Dior Sauvage or Chanel Bleu. They're both classic scents that are perfect for everyday wear. And here's a pro tip for you. Avoid spraying fragrance directly on your clothes. This can actually stain your clothes and prevent the scent from developing properly on your skin. Instead, spray fragrance onto your skin and let it dry down naturally. Grooming goals achieved. So, there you have it, the top 5 grooming mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, grooming is all about the details, and small changes can make a big difference. You don't have to be extra, but a little effort goes a long way. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? Number 1, follow a proper skincare routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. Number 2, maintain your hair with regular trims and the right products. Number 3, keep those nails on point with regular trimming and filing. Number 4, don't let that body hair run wild. Keep it tidy and groomed. And finally, number 5, remember that fragrance is your friend, but too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more grooming and style tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite grooming hack, or ask me any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.